Hello students, it's Ranveer Singh is here. Today I will summarize the poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. It is a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. It's a timeless poem that continues to inspire readers with its vision of an ideal society. The poem was published in 1910 in the completion of title Gitanjali. During that time, India was still under the control of British Empire. The poem reflects the longing for freedom and explores the concept of true freedom, where individual can think critically, assess knowledge, and works towards a better world. The poem Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore is a powerful description of an ideal society. In the poem, the poet envisions an ideal nation where people are free to think, express themselves without fear, knowledge is readily available to everyone. There is unity and harmony across different classes, states, and communities. Honesty and truth form the bedrock of communication. People are constantly working for progress and improvement. Reasons guides action where respecting valuable traditions. First, freedom from fear. Where the mind is without fear. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Devav lines from the poem criticizes social divisions. The ideal society must look beyond the barriers like race, religions, or nationality, fostering a sense of belonging and cooperation among all its people. Honesty and truth. A society built on trust allows for open communication and discourages manipulation and exploitation. Hence, in an ideal society, the poet says that people must be honest and must speak truthfully, where words come from the depth of the truth. The poet emphasizes the accessibility of information and education, where the knowledge is free. This fosters intellectual growth and empowers individuals to reach their full potential. This poem is a beautiful dream of a perfect world. The poet imagines a country where people are brave and free to think for themselves. Everyone has access to knowledge they want, and there is no barriers dividing people. People are honest and they always tell truth. People, they never give up and keep working on the best they can be, just following and traditions. The poet hopes that God will help his country become this ideal place, a land of freedom where everyone's mind and spirit can truly soar high. यह कविता जो है एक आदर्श दुनिया का खूबसूरत सपना है। कभी ऐसे देश की कल्पना करते हैं जहां लोग बहादुर हों, स्वतंत्र रूप से सोच सके, सभी को वह ज्ञान प्राप्त करने का अवसर मिले जो लोग चाहते हैं, और लोगों को बांटने वाली कोई दीवारें नहीं हो। जो लोग ईमानदार हों और हमेशा सच बोलते हों, वहां के लोग कभी हार नहीं मानते हो और हमेशा सर्वश्रेष्ठ बनने का प्रयास करते रहें। वे केवल पुरानी परंपराओं का पालन करने के बजाय स्पष्ट और तार्किक सोच का इस्तेमाल करें। कभी आशा करते हैं कि ईश्वर उसके देश मतलब भारत को इस आदर्श स्थान बनने में मदद करेंगे, एक स्वतंत्र की भूमि जहां हर किसी का मन आत्मा सचमुच में ऊंचाइयों को छू ले। आगे आई होप आप लोग समझ गए होंगे। थैंक यू।